Alright guys, today I'm going to be using the TurtleWax Power Out Carpet and Mats Heavy Duty Cleaner. And I bought this several months ago, and I was just going to review it just because it was new when I bought it. I believe it came out in like May or something. Anyway, I'm getting this car ready to sell, and I had to take the back seats out for some stuff to make it ready to sell. And I took the front seats out because I'm going to be putting well, you can see this one. I'm putting seat covers on them, and I'm taking them out so I can attach the seat covers so they fit a little bit better. But anyhow, I figured while it's out, I'll vacuum it. And when I started vacuuming it, I noticed how many stains there really were in the carpet. So I went back to my storage area and decided, okay, what do I have to use? And I have this, so I'm kind of excited. So it does come with a detachable scrubber. You can remove it by pressing this button right here. It doesn't really look like a button, but you just, well, I guess you press right here and then you pull it up. But I'm going to leave it on for now. Now there's two different directions here. It does say what it does. Apparently the powerful OxyCleaners remove ground-in stains, coffee spills, and whatnot, and so I'm hoping that'll work. Works on floor mats, rubber floor mats, salt and mud stains, food and beverage spills, trunk liners. I honestly don't know what that is, but it looks like it should work. Anyhow, there's tough stains and spot removal, and then there's general cleaning. General cleaning just basically says to vacuum well and spray it on and agitate. For the spot cleaning, it says to, doesn't say anything about vacuuming it, but I vacuumed it, and then spray it and allow it to set to dwell for about a minute before scrubbing. And you may need to repeat the process for heavily soiled areas, it says. So let's get started. I'm going to leave this brush on when I spray and see what it does. Ooh. I like that. I'm just going to do that this little area here. And I will let that sit for a minute and come back. The foam did seem to stay pretty well. I did spray a little bit more right after ending the video, or ending that clip. So I'm just going to leave this on the bottle to see how well it scrubs like this. By the way, the brush, the patent is pending. I see a lot of dirt coming off, or I can see brown. Hopefully that means it's coming out. It's in this corner. I don't like this corner, but look, you can see the dirt is coming out. What does it say after you do it? You don't just let it sit there. And wipe off with a clean cloth. Alright. So I think what I'll do is I'll spray it on. I guess I gotta put my top back on. 2 hours later. So I'm gonna spray this on really good again. Let it sit another minute while I go get a clean microfiber towel. When I come back, I'll scrub it again and then wipe it up with a towel. I have my towel. I was gone for a little more than a minute, but scrub it again. Now, it smells kind of chemically, but it does smell kind of clean too. I think once the chemical smell dissipates, it'll leave the car smelling like a clean car. And I'm going to do the whole carpets. I'm just demoing this whole spot. Now, I have to say I don't like their handle. Their scrub brush, it needs to have a handle on it, because like I have to hold, in order to get a good grip, like I have to put my fingers on the underneath of it, and yeah, kind of pretty much have to. I can still see the spot. Let's wipe it up. Not sure how thorough I got that, but I feel like it's gonna dry white looking. Looks cleaner. The spot is a lot harder to see. Honestly, I see it more in the camera than in real life, but I'll do the rest of the car and see how it turns out. Alright, it does look cleaner. It's still wet, but I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to roll the windows down and leave them down for the night so it doesn't start smelling like musky in here. But I'll show you guys tomorrow. It is coming clean. It is working. I don't know if I showed what it looked like up here. Up here it was pretty clean. Over here it had the orange spots. Over here as well. There's still a little bit, but I'm not worried about it. The seat's going to hide it. I just kind of wanted to make it look a little cleaner. Trying to detail it a little bit before I go to sell it, but don't know if I'm going to be able to get all the stains out, but I'm not tripping. Anyway, this is what it looks like over here. A lot of stains right there and right here. We'll see if I can get those out. Some stains in the corner over here. And some staining down here. We'll see. I'll just clean it up and show an overall tomorrow. This was, I did half of the car, and you can see how much dirt it picked up. I would definitely recommend rinsing it out as needed, probably more than what I am. I'm going to rinse it out more often now that I know. It's been about an hour, and it is damp. It's mostly dry. It's fairly dry. It has some damp spots, like even right here. I put a lot here because there were some stains here. I did show you guys. This is the passenger side, so this is where I did it on camera. And it came pretty clean. I'm happy with it. It smells alright. I'm just putting the car back together now. I was going to wait till tomorrow and leave the doors open, but I don't really think it's important. It's pretty damp. I mean, pretty dry. It's got some damp spots, but it'll be okay. I'll go ahead and put my seats in tonight now. Alright. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and peace.